Hello. It's a day in the life of a gamer girl, and my dog wants to go out. So I just woke up, and it's like 10 something a.m. and I just gotta throw on some sunscreen, and then we're heading out. What do you think, Eddie? And my house is a mess, like usual, but that's fine. Okay, let's go on a run. Ulos! Ulos! Okay, we are home. I need to get some water and head to shower. We walked a little bit at the end of the walk so that Eddie could sniff a little extra. Okay, we're heading to the basement. Here's some random door, so the light is coming in a little. There is a back because we were doing some renovation work. Oh my gosh, there's a huge pile of laundry. Let's not maybe show that to you guys. That's my shower. I actually love it because the water is super hot. On the other side of the wall is the oil heater that heats the water, so it comes super quickly. We're using our old washing machine as a table, as you can see, but we're gonna take it out soon, and there's our new one. This old one needs to go to the junkyard. It does not function anymore for several reasons. It was already kind of broken, and I was like just going with it, and then it got totally broken. But yeah, also don't be weirded out by the black spots in the wall. I colored my hair black last year, so that's what caused it. We are gonna renovate this at some point, please do not judge. Anyway, I'm gonna head to shower now. Shower and finishes suihku, and basement and finishes gallery. In case you were curious. Now let's go. By the way, life hack: throwing your towel on top of the heater while you're showering. Especially if you have a little cold room temperature, this is lovely. Also, if you only shower for like 10 minutes, it's not like a fire hazard. If you shower for a longer time, then you're fucked. But I do this every day, and I haven't burned down my house yet, so I think it's cool. Okay, we are out of the shower. Now it's time to get some deodorant, moisturizer, and sunscreen again, and some clothes. Indeed. Some clothes would be nice. Okay, this is what I decided to wear. Some woolen socks and a dress and tights, and this dress is something I wear all the freaking time. It's my favorite. I've had it for at least 7 years now. I got it like second hand. But yeah, maybe not the most fashionable thing, but it's comfy as hell, so that's why I'm wearing it. Anyway, let me jump into these clothes. So, I'm in the kitchen now, and the dog is drinking, but like, that's irrelevant. The dog should be drinking because we were on a long walk or run. But it stinks. And I wonder if it could be the compost that I've been telling Max for 3 days now to take out, like at least 3 times each day. Because it's like his responsibility to take the trash out, and I'm kind of pissed, and I think I need to take it now myself because it stinks. So, we're doing that next. And also there's some chairs that Max was supposed to carry out, like to the basement, because we don't need them right now in the kitchen, because we had them because we had guests over. And I've been telling him for a week to take those to the basement, and it's not happening. It's not happening. Okay, I did the things I was supposed to do, and normally I would make some breakfast now with some like oatmeal, but this is actually barley. So barley with this is vehnälesse, and that means like it's like the peel from the wheat grain, and it's crushed and it has a ton of fiber in it. But I don't have any milk because Max didn't do the groceries, so yeah. I'm gonna take a look in the fridge. I think we're gonna have some apple with yogurt, maybe with some lesse in, and with some maple syrup. That sounds kind of delish. I think we're gonna do that. We are done making breakfast, or lunch also kinda. Here's the thing that kind of looks like vomit, but it's gonna be delicious, and then my green tea, and I actually want a few pieces of chocolate, so let's get that. Okay, some chocolate with a tea, and now we're ready to go. I'm gonna get to my setup and do some editing and do my makeup, and then we can stream. Let's go. I'm gonna start the stream soon, and that's why I have all the overlays here. But this the artwork that I'm working on today. I'm gonna try to make the background. It's gonna be full of like vines and stones and grass and stuff like that. And I'm gonna show you the progress after the stream. Usually I stream like ASMR mainly, and I do like whispered streams, but I like to add in a good bunch of art and gaming sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair now and start the stream, and then I'll talk about the rest of the day after that. Hello again, we're back after stream. This is the progress on our drawing. Now I'm gonna head out with the dog again. Okay, first off, this is it's not blood, okay? Don't worry, I just drew on my hand with a dark red marker, so that's what happened. But I'm taking Eddie out now, and Max is home and gaming. And yeah, I just swapped into some clothes that are a little more comfy, and we're going on a walk with Eddie, then we're having a dinner, and then it's game time. Eddie, ulos, ulos, yeah, ulos, yeah, ulos. Eddie. I think he saw other dogs. Eddie. Eddie, snack. Is du? Yeah. You're a good boy. Eddie, denne. Ja, is du? Is du? Yeah. Okay, I got home and I ate some. I'm having some mammy actually right now. If you don't know, it's Finnish food that looks like poop. And I ate a little bit of pasta and some bread, just some leftovers. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna. Now I'm just gonna play League of Legends, maybe some Apex Legends for the rest of the evening. I'm not sure if I remember to give you an update later when I go to bed, but usually I just shower, watch anime, and then I just sleep. Yeah, so this is just how my days are like almost every day, when I'm streaming at least. And yeah. Are my teeth yellow from eating the mammy? Or brown? I'll see if I'll do something. If not, then just good night. Bye. I'm gaming now. I also actually gamed on the stream and we had a really nice game. I was playing Ash. And before that I was playing Caitlyn in another game of Aram in League of Legends, and the Caitlyn game went to shit. But that's fine. So yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye.